Alright, in this quick video, decided to do this quick about halfway through the job. How do you clean your shelter halves and your tarps when you get back from the field? They're all dirty. I'm getting them cleaned up for packing. All you need, hose with running water, dish soap, and a big broom from like your workshop, your barn, your garage. First off, just get the tentage all wet. I already did the other side, that's why there's so much soap. Get it all wet. Spray in some soap. Get your broom. And that's your scrub brush. Just go through, scrub it up, get it all sudsy. Then go through with your hose again. Spray it off. After you get it all sprayed off, you're going to want to hang it up so that it dries. So put it over a clothesline, hang it from a couple trees, something like that. Spread it out so that it can drip dry at least a few hours, if not overnight. If you got canvas, probably should be overnight because it's going to take a while to dry. If it's rubberized like these shelter halves, a few hours. You can also do the same thing, obviously, for dirty tools. Spray them up, get some soap on them, scrub them, whatever. But for the most part, you just spray off the mud and crud. And then afterwards, go through, put a little bit of oil in the hinges and stuff like that. Quick, basic, dirty video on how to clean your stuff when it gets dirty. Now, for all my engineer brothers in the Patriot and militia movements, always remember, essay ons.